So this is my project. It is called Last Stand. There you go. Here's our menu screen. So it doesn't really do anything. So I'm pressing a bunch of buttons, doesn't do anything until I press P, and it starts our game. So if I press P again, it takes me back to the menu as required. I press P again, it takes me back to the game. The controls for this game are W jump, D to move right, A to move left, and M to shoot. Right. So if I shoot, there you go. I can clear projectiles. There you go. And I got hit by one. So the main goal of the game is to not get hit by any projectiles, and it's just to you're trying to survive for a certain number of time. I think I left it at 30 seconds is the default. I left it for the game. So yeah, the milestones hit are moving objects, moving platforms, start menu, game over screen, and win screen, and shooting. So yeah, so here I am. Let me shoot something. There you go. I cleared a projectile by shooting it. And so let me try do that again, and I'll show you some other things as well. If I fall through the screen, I appear right back at the top. Right. If I go up, then I come right back down. Let me just show you how to do that. I'm not very good at video games, as you can probably tell. So if I go up, I come back down. Right. I don't appear right back at the bottom. So and if you go right, you go left. You just appear back left, and etc. etc. So if I go right. There we go. Let me just keep going, keep going, keep going, and here we go. I'm left, and then back to the right. Right. I hit a bullet on the right side, but it's not recommended to do that, but you can, which is really. And this thing is collision. So let's show some collision. Okay, I can't go through. Right. I can't go through the platform. I can't jump through it. I can't go horizontally through it. Right. So platforms are platforms. You can't go through it up. You can't go through it down. You can't go left, right. So yeah. So that's that. I'm sure you're sick of seeing the game over screen right now. So why don't I make this game easier and put on the win screen? I wish this was a feature in real life games because there would be a lot more fun. There we go. So let's make the game easy to win. There you go. So I'm playing and playing and playing, and then boom, you win. There you go. But you know, if you find it difficult, if you're bad at video games, you can just go like that, and you can switch it back to a smaller interval to make the game shorter or longer, so you don't have to survive as long. But you could just leave it as is, right? So that's that. So yeah, there's collision, there's moving platforms, there's shooting. If I'm shooting, winning, game over, and then start menu, win condition, lose condition. Yeah. So this is basically implemented through a bunch of arrays. I have a bunch of arrays in memory, which hold a couple of important things like the character position, enemy position, platform positions. These are actually arrays. Everything that's not the character position is actually an array of positions, and that's just because there's so many of them. There's so many enemies, platforms, bullets, etc. that we need to hold all of them, and we need to iterate through all of them. These are all handled. This is our main function. This will handle in the run game function. So you see run game, right? This is our infinite loop, and it exits when either the time has passed, so we load level time and we see if it's equal, or there's another function that goes to game over. Well, game over happens when a player hits any of the projectiles, right? The environment, we handle the environment. We can handle the bullets, which pretty much just moves the bullets according to their direction. So you have an array here. This is the best way to look at this is like these are together. These are like a structure, bullet structure. So we move the bullet according to its direction, right? And we can just update its position in the macro array. Same with platforms, right? The way I know what column the platform is on is I just divide the address of the platform, the top left address of the platform, and I just see if it's a divisible, but if I see what the remainder is. So over here, all of the platform remainder of 16, 48, etc., and then I can use that to hardcode whether they're moving up or down. Right? Bullets just move according to the array. Enemies always move right, and that's how I clear the enemies as well. Enemies stop existing once after they've hit here, so after they hit a remainder of 252. So that is that. Yeah, that is, so that's bullet direction, bullet array, right? Bullet direction just decides where we're moving the bullets. Position array, I just use the remainder. Enemy position is just moving right, so there's no need to decide what direction they're going. And character position is controlled by the player. Yeah, that is pretty much everything. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my game. And it's pretty hard.